And let's check in with KVUE's Bryce Newberry. He joins us now from the state capitol with more on the governor's plans. Bryce?
Terry, tonight we have a roadmap for what the next 10 days or so will look like here in Texas. And that's when Governor Greg Abbott plans to announce even more steps for reopening the state.
At the state capitol Friday.
Today's executive order also addresses schools.
The fate of the school year in Texas taking a major turn.
The team of doctors advising us have determined that it would be unsafe to allow students to gather in schools for the foreseeable future.
All public, private, and higher education schools closed for the rest of the school year. But over the next week, other changes will start getting things back to normal. On Monday, state parks will reopen. Visitors have to wear a face covering and follow social distancing rules. Then on Wednesday, new rules will loosen restrictions put in place last month for surgeries.
Texas has plenty of hospital capacity. We have a solid supply chain of PPE, and many of our doctors and nurses have patients who desperately need medical treatment.
The governor will allow procedures that don't deplete hospital space or personal protective equipment to start again. And then on Friday, stores can reopen as long as they use to-go options and employees social distance.
This temporary plan allows you to be able to access more retailers while also minimizing contact with others.
10 days from Friday, more guidelines and possibly more openings are coming. The governor has a new strike force made up of medical experts and public and private leaders who will lead the way for reopening Texas. Kevin Roberts of the Texas Public Policy Foundation is part of the governor's advisory team.
The particular task that we have over the next several days is to help the governor and his public health advisors understand that there are many parts of Texas where probably today it would be safe to open the economy.
But not everyone agrees that the state will be ready to open so soon.
We're talking about 10 days looking at this again, perhaps opening more businesses. But that's before the date that we've been told we can expect to have more tests.
The federal guidelines for reopening states call for 2 weeks of decreasing cases. But today, the Texas governor did not say anything about factoring in case counts, only that the state will have a phased approach. Reporting live tonight near the state capitol, I'm Bryce Newberry, KVUE News.